Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to insert the battery in your DJI Osmo Action 6. So, actually, at first, search for the side without the power button. It's here. Now, pull this switch to the side where this arrow goes, and then upwards, whole wall upwards. It's difficult to, show this in the video, so they can see that. Without the camera it's easier. We need to just do something like that and pull it with our fingers, and voila, here as you can see we have our place for the battery and without the battery inside. So at first here take your battery, and if you don't have your battery labeled with the milliamp hours, because here this is how it should go inside, you need to find the side with the pins. These pins should go as here to see this golden walls. Now place your battery until you hear a click. Now we can close our wall, and now we are done. Battery is inside. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.